Hey guys, and welcome back to YGreyParrot e-learning hub, the place to learn and discover the world. Today, we'll be looking at Antarctica. I'm so excited. Let's get on to the video. Now let me tell how Antarctica looks like. Well, Antarctica is a desert. It does not rain or snow a lot there. When it snows, the snow does not melt and builds up over many years to make large, thick sheets of ice. About 500 to 600 million years ago, the supercontinent Gondwana was formed. This ancient continent consisted of Antarctica, Africa, India, Australia, and South America. So, this is the world map. Can you find where Antarctica is? Wow, it's right at the bottom. Yes, it's near the Southern Ocean. So, that yellowish continent right at the bottom, that's Antarctica. The name Antarctica is the Romanese version of the Greek compound word. And now let me tell you how you can pronounce the word Antarctica. 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 Is global warming melting Antarctica? Well, maybe yes, because some of the parts of Antarctica is melting. And I just want to say something. A lot of years ago, some parts of Antarctica melted, and then it came together by somehow. And the researchers are still trying to find out how. And if Antarctica melts, the sea level will get a lot higher. Due to global warming, glaciers melt. And what causes glaciers to melt? Well, it's global warming. So, glaciers can move fast and slow. Do you know the biggest glacier? Well, it is the Lambert Fissure. Well, it's about 400 kilometers long and 100 kilometers wide. Can you believe that? Some of them are about 5 kilometers thick. So now let me tell you about the weather condition and the living creatures. The weather condition over there is very, very cold. And it's about minus 10 degrees. But when it hits winter, it's about minus 30 degrees. Can you believe that? Well, now let me tell you about the living creatures. Well, in Antarctica, there's almost no people can live there. There's like a limit for them to stay there for about like a month, or like more than like a month, like 7 months or like 5 months. And only huskies, polar bear, whales, and penguins can live there, or I can say survive there. Now let's hear some amazing facts about Antarctica. During the summer, about 3,700 scientists work in the 46 or more scientific research stations scattered across the continent. Wow, that's such amazing. So guys, if you think this video is helpful, then like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. See you later. Bye.